Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you a very exciting news. So I am starting off a beginner's makeup tutorial guide for all of you that are starting off makeup in the makeup world and are a bit unsure on how to do several things. For instance, if finding the right shade for your skin tone, or how to do a simple smoky eye. So basically my aim is to put all my years of experience that I have gained from working with companies such as Estee, Lauder, Clinique and Benefit at your disposal, so that we can learn together you know, how to do things step by step, and also is accessible to everyone. So the first thing that I want to cover with you today is the foundation. So the foundation topic. What do I mean by foundation? How can you find the right you know, match for your skin tone? So when you're buying a foundation, what I'll do is I'll divide this video in 3 sections. So I will do first part, so this is the first part, and then I'll do second part and the third part, just because there is quite a lot of information that I want to share with you with you know, within this topic, that it could be, you know, some will be tips and things like that. So definitely I want to share my information with you, but I don't also want to overload you with too many information, because it can be a bit challenging at start. So let's get into the to the first topic, so to the first area that I want to speak to you about in this video. So the first thing that you know that you wonder is, how can you find your skin tone? So basically you can do it with these little steps, and it's very easy and very straightforward as well. So if you have a look at your veins on your wrist, so for instance mine, I don't know if you can see, I hope you can see it. So this area here, which is the clearer way to actually see them, because you will see the true color. And you have a look and you find out what color they are. What do I mean by color? Now they can be these different colors, so they can be blue or purple. So your veins can look like blue or purple, or they can look green, greenish, bluish color, so a mixture. Or they might not even, you know, look like they have a color. There may be a mixture, or you can't really tell. So why am I saying this to you? Because you have 3 different tones, skin tones that you will fall into, 3 different categories. So the first one, if you have a look at my ones, I don't know if you can see it, but I can tell you that my veins look like they're a mixture between the green and the blue. So what does that mean? So basically I fall into the warm category, because there's a cool, warm and neutral. So the warm category is the veins that look greenish, bluish, okay? And if you have veins that look blue or purple, then you fall into the cool category skin tone. If you have so a mixture of these colors, or you can't really identify what color your veins are, then definitely you are a neutral undertone. So you fall then into that category. So basically, also what I want to what I want to tell you as well is, which is important to understand, is the undertones. So what is an undertone? Okay, so what is the undertone? So the undertone is the color from underneath the surface of your skin, which will show through. So is the color of your skin that you can actually see. So this is the undertone. So it's very important when you go and buy foundation, you go and choose a foundation, that you actually bear your skin tone and your undertones in mind, because this is going to really help you to buy the right foundation for your skin and to get a right match for your skin tone. So for example, how can I say? So if you are a warm undertone, then it means you're in, you know, it means you go well with you associate the skin with more like a peachy or a golden or a yellow tone. So you'll go well with these kind of tones when you're looking for a foundation type. So this will match you perfectly, or will match you most likely. So obviously by looking at your face as well, you will identify what kind of skin tone you are. So if you fall into the category of you're very fair, or you're light, or you're a light medium, or you are a medium, and so forth. So you will tell, because you obviously know what your skin looks like. And once you have actually identified these points, so you have obviously had a look at your skin and kind of got an idea of what your shade is, your skin tone color is, then you had a look at your veins and you kind of go, okay, I have, for instance, myself, I have greenish bluish, a mixture of these colors on my in my veins. So I know now that I'm a warm skin tone, so I'm a light medium skin tone and I'm a warm undertone. So how can I then find foundations that will match me personally, or you personally? So basically this is everything that I want to cover in this video, because I just want to let you think a bit about these things and just have a play around and see if you can find what the color on your veins are, and just so that you can get a bit of a feel. And like I said, I don't want to overwhelm you with too many information. So what I'll do then is this is it for this video, for the part 1 of this video, and I will do obviously a part 2 and a part 3 like I mentioned before. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions whatsoever, any questions, anything that you'd like to tell me, then please leave it down in the comments below and let me know what your thoughts are, if this video was helpful. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please follow me on my social media. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please stay tuned for the part 2 of this video. Take care. Bye.